Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore the first episode of Hampi series, that is Virupaksha Temple. Virupaksha Temple is one of the main attractions in the Hampi Temple Trail. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, worshipped here as Virupaksha. It is one of the oldest functioning temple and the most inspiring temple in India. The temple was built from the 7th century, and every new ruler in the region has added his touch to it, making it truly unique. Final touches and renovations were made to this temple in the 19th century, which made the temple even more beautiful and what it is today. The story of the temple is an interesting one. It is believed that goddess Parvati was born in this region as a Pampa. Incidentally, the river Tungabhadra was then known as the Pampa. She wanted to marry Lord Shiva, who was deep in meditation on the Hemakuta hill, which is right opposite to the present temple. She realized that meditation was the only way she could win him, and proceeded to do so on the banks of a lake on the other side of the river. There is a small temple there dedicated to the goddess, with the lake named after her as Pampa Sarovara. Finally, Shiva became aware of her and agreed to marry her. The location where they were married is where the Virupaksha temple stands today. Brilliant artworks show the marriage of Shiva and Parvati through a stunning painting. The painting is so detailed that you will admire. It feels like you are a witness to this sacred and holy union. The temple architecture is designed in such a way that the inverted shadow of the Raja Gopuram falls more than 300 feet away on the wall of Salu Mantapa, which is at the other end of the Virupaksha temple. This happens through a small opening, which acts like an aperture. When sunlight falls on the Gopuram, it blocks the light. Due to this, there is a formation of shadow, and this shadow has to fall in front of Gopuram. But somehow the architect of the temple was able to make it fall through an opening using the pinhole camera effect concept. This opening acts as a mirror that reflects and inverts the image. Very beautiful to see. Please don't miss this when you are in Hampi. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes of Hampi series. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.